What's going on, YouTube? So today is going to be another DIY mod video, but it's not going to be on the Rebel. It's actually going to be on the ski. We're going to install some HydroTurf grip mats down in here and on the back. It's going to be the first, mod that we've covered on the channel for the ski. Like I said in my previous video, the only mods this thing really has so far is this little container cover at the front, which is an OEM Sea-Doo part, and it's running a 90 horsepower aftermarket tune. It's basically the same as the stock tune that you would get in the high output model, but we got it for a lot cheaper doing it aftermarket, so that's what we did. But today we're gonna actually be doing the first, aftermarket visual mod. So like I said, let's get started. Okay, come over here. You can see HydroTurf. These are custom ordered. I did green with a diamond kind of stitch, not stitch, but diamond cutout on there. I ordered these from Riva Motorsports. Lucky for me, they're pretty local to my office down in Pompano, so I was able to order these, went and picked them up. Real simple, and easy to just order those from a local vendor. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're just gonna install these on the ski. So I've never installed these before, but I'm assuming it's relatively simple. The instructions here kind of goes over pretty basic shit. Clean the surface before applying the mats, and all it says really, we got some right here, isopropyl rubbing alcohol, but in here it's just water and soap. Just mix it up in there, gonna spray it on there and clean the surface. Then after that we're gonna use the rubbing alcohol, make it all nice and clean. Just need a few rags and a little mallet just to kind of apply some pressure if need be. So let's lay these out, see what it looks like, and we can get started with the install. Alright, we cleaned it with the soap and water. Now let's clean it with the alcohol, and then, be nice and prepped. We'll get a nice clean surface for good application. Alright, so the ski is all prepped, so let's go ahead and start laying these out. Let's see what it looks like before, we apply it. Here's one. I think that's correct. Let's see. And the next piece has to be a logo piece. I'm just gonna grab this one. I don't know if this is it or not. Nope. I'm going to assume this one goes here. Yep, that looks correct. So that would mean, where's the other one? One hand. Oop, there we go. So this one must go. No, what? Alright, there we go. I'm assuming like this. Alright. Looks kind of cool. Let's keep going with it. Take this other big piece here, walk around, and this one goes like this. Alright, kind of cool. I'm liking the green with the blue. That should kind of be a giveaway of what colors we're going to be wrapping this. Hint, hint. Alright, now these back pieces. I think these pieces go up here, something like that. like, no, these go back here. Yeah, look at that. I like that. That looks pretty sweet. So these two pieces, last two. You guys, sorry if this is making you dizzy. Let's go up here. Maybe, I guess like that. I'm not a huge fan of that, so probably won't be installing those. But okay, got them laid out. Now let's stick them down. So something I probably should have went over when laying these out was, you see how it kind of has the cutout design here on the ski itself? That's a direct giveaway for what piece goes where. So all you really have to do are match up the pieces, and you know, that's it. See, even on here on the inside, kind of see it has like the groove cut out. See, that fits more or less right over it. Same with this one, but see, this one is kind of weird because it doesn't really fill all the way up there. It kind of has like this little void, so that's kind of weird. I don't know if that was because I ordered the wrong thing, but I'm pretty sure I didn't. But you know, whatever, it works, it'll be. Oh, and one more thing, actually, these are peel and stick. So all you have to do is peel this back up here. It'll you know, show the adhesive, and then you just stick it down. You know, you want to line it up, stick it down, apply some pressure, so you know it has a good contact to it, and then that should do it. Alright, so the first side's done. You can do a little bit of a comparison here. HydroTurf grip mats. And nothing. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna be sweet. Go ahead and throw these side pieces on there for shits and giggles. You know, I'm not a huge fan of how it looks, so don't be surprised if you don't see it again in another video, but just for the sake of this video and the installation, we're gonna throw them on there. Like I said, guys, HydroTurf, good shit, made in the good old USA, America. And there you go, that might be the part number right there if you have a Spark. Alrighty, so there we have it. Finished product, all nice and installed. Took about 20 minutes to do. Super simple. Definitely beginner mod. If you've installed any sort of vinyl before, or like the film that you put on your headlights or taillights, this is more or less the same concept, but just a lot easier to install. You know, it's kind of pliable, so you could peel it up at least once if you need to reposition it. So this was an 8-piece kit. Got the whole side, the knee grip, and the back lift. So yeah, you can see, put it all around. Looks kind of cool. Looks a little out of place right now, but you'll see once the graphic kit comes in, it's all gonna tie together. So don't be, like I said, don't be surprised if you don't see these on there again. I had full intention of getting a racing plate right there and putting a number on it, because I think that'll look kind of cool. But for the sake of the video, threw it on there. Both sides, yeah. Actually, it looks kind of cool. I don't know. I'm torn about it. So there you have it, guys. First Spark mod on the channel. I have a lot more planned for this, along with the RAM. So don't think I forgot about that. Just waiting on more parts to come in for that before I start making more videos on it. Nope, it'll be real soon though. But as for this one, like I said, Riva Motorsports, real local to me, really easy to get go fast parts for this. I already have a full, parts list lined up. It's just getting the money for it. And with all other kind of projects, it all comes in time. So if you like this video, stick around for more. I'm gonna have more DIY tutorials on the Spark. I'm gonna do an oil change, how to remove the top lid, might even do an impeller installation, and I have full intentions of doing a through hole exhaust. So I'm gonna be doing a video on that because I haven't really seen anyone else do a DIY on that. So I think it'll be kind of cool for you guys to see all that. So if you like this video, stick around for more. Drop me a like, hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Until next time.